Guys, something huge just happened, so if you're a stock market trader or an investor, you need to watch this video before the market opens tomorrow or you're gonna miss out big time. NIO announced today that they absolutely smashed their delivery numbers for the month of December, which should just add even more fuel to the fire and more hype this week going into NIO Day on January 9th. NIO obviously is a good company to hold long term, but after this catalyst came out today, there's definitely going to be a big week of pre-anticipatory runs now that we have both catalysts in the same week. So if you're not following me yet and joining the team, you need to be hitting the follow button because NIO Day is coming up. We're going to be posting updates whenever we get them. This is going to be huge for NIO. I think this is going to be a huge 10x stock, 5 years in the future, and it's absolutely super exciting. So if you want to join the party, make sure you hit the follow button.
Hey you guys, it's Tony. Also some quick news on Apple. They're secretly building a competitive search engine against Google. Just wanted to put that out there for you guys. I think that would be pretty nuts if they stop using Safari as, if Google stops paying to have their main, to have Google show up as like the main page for Safari. They're gonna take like a $10 billion hit. Google will lose, basically a lot of search, and Apple I think will lose like a $10 billion from Google that they pay them. But yeah, just letting you guys know, Apple is working on a search engine, which I think would be pretty fantastic.
This is huge. Mark Cuban just said this is going to make someone $1 trillion. Another CEO said that this is going to be worth 35 Amazons. Bill Gates says that this technology is going to be worth 10 Microsofts. So what is it? It's AI and robotics. So how do you take advantage of this? Yes, you can put money in individual, artificial intelligence, and robotic stocks, but here's something else you can do. You can invest in what's known as an ETF, which is a group of stocks. There's a group of stocks that's an ETF that all they do is artificial intelligence and robotics. The ticker symbol is BOTZ, B-O-T-Z.
Guys, something huge just happened. If you're a stock market investor or a trader, you need to watch this video before the market opens tomorrow or you're going to lose money and miss out. Trump just signed the $900 billion COVID relief bill, the one that he previously had vetoed. This definitely is going to have a big effect on stocks like American Airlines, Carnival Cruise Lines. There's tons of other recovery stocks that are going to go ballistic, and there's going to be a lot of people making so much money on these option plays. There's a very good chance that this catalyst is going to push us into another strong bull market going into 2021. So if you don't want to miss out and you want to join my team on getting super rich this year, just make sure you're following me. We're calling out plays all the time and we're going to be making so much money together. But with all that being said, if you need a place to buy and sell stocks completely for free, Webull is still offering 4 free stocks when you make an account and deposit $100 with them. The link is in my bio and it's a great place to trade stocks completely for free.
If you invested $1,000 into Apple stock in 2007, it would be worth $26,000 now. If you invested $1,000 into Tesla's stock in 2010, it would be worth a whopping $36,000 now. And last but not least, if you invested $1,000 into Amazon stock in 1997, you would have $1,362,000.
If you made it to stock market TikTok and you're new to investing, you need to watch this video now. Know the difference between day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Day trading, you buy and sell the stock the same day, takes more time and experience to learn, heavily relies on technical analysis to catch intraday moves and price. Day trading is definitely the most fast-paced. Now for swing trading, you buy and hold a stock longer than a day. So you can buy today, sell tomorrow, buy today, sell next week. It's a swing trade. It takes time to learn because you still need to learn technical analysis, but it's a lot slower paced than day trading. Now for long-term investing, this can be quote-unquote a little safer route, still not always safe. Long-term investing is buying and holding a stock for a year or even years or even index funds, but it does not require much technical analysis, but fundamental analysis is a must. Fundamental analysis is going to tell you if it's a good company or if it has potential. If you're interested in this free Discord chat with free education, shoot me a DM on IG for the link.
I interrupt your doom scrolling to bring you yet another reason to hate Wall Street. So when billionaire hedge funds started losing money, Wall Street called in all their friends and engaged in serious market manipulation to shut down trading of GameStop and other stocks. And why did they shut down this trading? Well, you should really hear what the chairman of the largest trading brokerage in America had to say. Listen.
Are you doing this move to protect yourself or to protect your customers?
Partly to protect ourselves, but mostly to protect, of course, to protect our customers. But if our customers are unable to pay for their losses, we have to put up our own money. So that is a loss of roughly $10 to $15 billion on the one side and $10 to $15 billion of gain on the other.
They're not even hiding it, folks. They're trying to prevent themselves and their friends from losing money and prevent us from making money. Money is a meme, kids, and they're scared of our power. Join me to take that power and help rebuild the world.
Many of you already know what a company's market cap is, but why is that number so important for value investors? Well, here it is on FinViz. First, we need to know where that number comes from, and that market cap comes from multiplying a company's total outstanding shares by its current stock price. And we can use this to our advantage because when we're evaluating a company, let's just say in this case, we're evaluating company ABC, and we come up with our own fair value of $1 billion. When we grab that company's outstanding shares, in this case 134, we divide these numbers and we come up with a stock price. In this case, that number would be $7.50. That's where that stock should be trading based on our own personal evaluation. Now, obviously, we might not buy this stock at this price. We might want a 50% margin of safety, so we would only buy this stock if it was trading at or below $3.75, and that's known as your buy price.
Here is one stock that could go parabolic in the next couple months. The company is called Jumia, also known as the Amazon of Africa, ticker JMIA. Jumia is currently floating around $18 and has went up 132% in the last month. Africa has a population of 1.3 billion people, with over 520 million internet users. There's lots of speculation that Citron might be pumping the stock with their $100 price target. Citron said in their position in Africa alone, logistics technology employees brand should be worth a minimum of $7 billion or $100 per share. There's also speculation that there could be a partnership with Alibaba and SoftBank with Jumia. Jumia has a solid run up to 1845, but if it can break this 1974 resistance level, I believe the shorts will get this to 25 to 30. Join the Discord for all my buy and sell alerts and follow for more stock talk.